In this video, we're going to explore what you need in order to start trading, in order to become a speculator. You now understand what a futures contract is and the fact that they all have a specific set of standard conditions, such as the date of delivery. We find then that when trading futures, we typically have contracts that are identified by a future month, most commonly every 3 months in currencies and indexes. But where are those? You see, the example of Peter and John that Kristen gave you was based on a commodity, was based on wheat. We can apply exactly the same to other commodities like corn, sugar, coffee, cotton, etc. And as you recall, the market did not have enough liquidity from producers and consumers, so they needed speculators. They needed us to speculate on the prices of the market. And that can also be applied to man-made instruments such as indexes. What is an index? An index is simply an indicator that is used in measuring the fluctuations in market value of a group of stocks. I'm sure you're familiar with the Dow Jones, the Standard & Poor's 500, it's better known as the S&P 500, or some lesser-known indexes such as the Russell 1000. They are all indexes that track the market in different ways. Those indexes have also futures contracts that are identified by letter symbols. For instance, the futures contract symbol for the Dow is YM. For the S&P, we use the ES, and the Russell is known as the TF. In the case of currencies, Forex will be the equivalent of the cash market for John and Peter, while there are future contracts for currencies as well that identify the different pairs. Their symbol typically has a 6 in front of them. For example, 6E refers to the euro dollar, 6A would be the Australian dollar, 6B the British pound, 6C Canadian dollar, just to mention a few. Now, where do we find all those symbols and what do we do with them? Now we start with the practical aspect of trading. We need a trading platform. A trading platform is software that allows us to buy, sell, and manage our positions in the market. Normally, it includes software that allows us to chart the different markets. But the trading platform does not give us the data information from the exchanges, so we also need a data feed. Otherwise, we will not know the prices the markets are trading at. Now, when we put an order in our trading platform, say that we believe that the euro is going up and we buy a 6E contract. We need someone to execute that order. That somebody would be a broker. You know from experience and perhaps movies how brokers were only used by very rich people to invest and advise them. Their services were extremely expensive. But with electronic trading, there are many brokers that charge you a discount commission to execute your orders. They don't give you advice, but they execute your orders. In the futures market, that is around $5 to $6 for buying and selling or selling and buying. What the brokers usually do is that they provide you with the trading platform and a data feed for the most traded markets as long as you maintain a funded account with them. That is very helpful because we don't have to buy a trading platform ourselves. There are many trading platforms and there are many that are extremely expensive. I've used several of them and I can tell you that by far the simplest and most friendly to use I have found is NinjaTrader. For using some other trading platforms, it seems people have to go through intensive courses and spend lots of time just getting familiar with them. So I use NinjaTrader and I highly recommend NinjaTrader. You can buy NinjaTrader for about $1,000, but you don't really have to. Why? Because it is such a popular platform, many brokers will offer it for free as long as you keep your account with them. You don't really have to worry about the data feed because generally you will be provided with it as well from the broker, unless you want to trade particular markets that are not offered within the data feed you have been provided with. When that happens, you have to buy the data feed from particular data providers such as Kinetic, CQG, or IQFeed, just to name a few. So, let's review. In order to start trading, in order to start becoming a speculator, we need a platform that allows us to manage our positions, place our buy and sell orders, place our stops, etc. As a trading platform, we recommend NinjaTrader, and it is NinjaTrader the one we're going to be using throughout this course. The reason why we recommend NinjaTrader is because it is not only the friendliest and easiest platform to use, but it is available to us for free, so no extra investment is required for our new trading career. 2. We need a data feed that gives us the information of the different markets we are trading at a very fast speed, as fast as possible. And lastly, we need a broker that executes the orders we place in our trading platform. The broker will typically provide us with the data feed and the trading platform needed, as long as we have a funded account with them. Otherwise, there is no gain for them either. For brokers, I make no secret that I openly recommend global futures. The reason is simply because they provide my students with the best possible service I have seen at a very reasonable rate. They also give you the data feed you need at this stage, and you can get NinjaTrader platform through them as well for free. So you can open a demo account with them while you are going through the Meditative Trader course, and eventually when you start trading live, then you can fund your account. Right now, your next step is to contact my friends at Global Futures. Open an account with them. Download your NinjaTrader platform. They will assist you in doing that if you have no experience, and we will see you in the next video with your Ninja already up and running. Here's the contact information for Global Futures. You can call Richard or Trenton. Both are good friends, very friendly people that will be happy to help you. Here's the information for them. See you in the next video.
Next time on TMT, how to set up your chart.